Good afternoon everyone, Sep here from TopGear Malaysia, and according to the calendar, it's the school holidays. After a very long MCO period, the family and I are ready to go for our long overdue school holiday trip. So we love going on road trips during the school holidays, but one thing that is sure to happen is the car getting filled with rubbish, sand and dirt. So with our usual car mats, getting them clean is actually very stressful and can be quite a pain. Which is why I went online to look for the perfect solution, and this is what I found: the latest ENZO Car Mat. This car mat also comes with anti-dual slip front and back and antibacterial properties for even greater safety for everyone in the car, especially the driver. Guys, here's a quick comparison between my old car mats and the new ENZO Car Mat. First thing I noticed is that since it's waterproof, getting it out without spilling it, all the milk everywhere, is actually very easy. So as you can see, the holes in the car mat actually trapped all the liquid within the car mat so that it doesn't spread to the other areas of the car. Now, let's see if I put the same milk on the old car mat here. See what happens. I really don't want to do this, but I have to show you the difference. Alright. See, as you can see, it's seeping through the old car mat, and I think the longer you leave it, or the more liquid that is present on top of the car mat, it will just pass through and just make a mess on the other sides of the car, or actually the under part of the car mat, which is a lot more difficult to clean up. And yeah, just on the surface alone, to clean this will take a lot more work than to clean that. I'll show you the difference, okay? So to make things even more interesting, since if you're going on school holidays with kids, there are bound to be crumbs of cookies and biscuits everywhere, and so I'll just show you the difference on how to clean between the ENZO Car Mat and the old car mat. Right, now for the cleaning part. So for this test, I'm just going to do a simple task. It's just to wash it down with some water from the pipe and see what happens. So one, here is the ENZO Car Mat with the same stain, milk and biscuits. And for this one, as you can see, the milk is starting to seep through the fabric of the carpet, and I do believe if I don't clean that soon, it will leave a mark or create one hell of a stink if I don't clear it correctly. So for the ENZO Car Mat, it looks like it's retaining all the water in the holes, but let's see how easy it is to clean between the two if I just wash it with water. Alright, got the water. Let's start with the old car mat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. As you can see, just with a quick rinse, the milk stains is still there. Some biscuits are still trapped in the fabric of the old car mat. But let's see about ENZO's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Alright, except for this biscuit right here, everything else is out and clean from the ENZO Car Mat. No milk stains whatsoever because it's waterproof. Again, it's very easy to clean compared to this one.
Best part of all ENZO car mats are actually waterproof and very easy to clean, even with all the nasty things that get stuck in these dirt and mud trap micro holes. All you need to do to get them nice and fresh again are 3 steps: tap, spray, and dry. It's so simple, you can do it anytime, anywhere. Just knock the loose dirt off, wash any sticky bits with water, and let it dry. It would only take 15 minutes for it to completely dry, and before you know it, it's back in the car, all nice, fresh, and clean. Your school holiday just got a lot smoother and a lot cleaner. To know more, head over to www.enzo.my to get your very own ENZO Car Mat today. The linings are available in 4 different colors. This is red, but you can also get it in blue, grey, and black. You can also read up about the ENZO Car Mat on our website www.topgear.com.my. I'll see you again during the school holidays, okay? Have a nice trip!